Do you want to design the globe on Blender in a few steps? Follow the video, I will show you the way. Open the Blender, press Shift A, and select Image as Plane. Choose the image in the description. Press 1 to view the landscape from the front. Press RY90, then scale to Z, press 2, then scale Y to 2. Add loop cut and press W and another subdivide, then 20. Click Shift to select empty, then arrow. From item, then rotation, set the X at 90, then set the Y at 90. Go to Add Modifier, choose Simple Deform, choose Band, choose Empty from Origin, set Angle at 180, and set Axis at Z. Add another modifier, Simple Deform, set the axis of X and angle at 360. Congratulations, you have got a globe design. Adjust the settings as you like. At the end of the video, please subscribe to the channel.